Hey grade 7s, thanks for tuning in to step 2 for the iMovie assignment. Next what you'll want to do is you want to open up iMovie. So to find iMovie you'll probably want to go over here to your Finder window, go to your applications, and the quickest way is probably just to search iMovie. And if you spell it right, that would be best. And you're going to want to look for a little star like this, so you can double click on that. And it will open up. So once you open up iMovie, you'll get a similar screen. It may look a bit different on yours because mine is the updated version, but that's alright. So this is an old video that I did at the university, but you want to go File, New Project. Okay, so let's name it iMovie Assignment number 1. Aspect ratio can stay there, and you don't want to have a theme. So create. So we'll want to drag our media here. So if you remember where you saved all those files, you can open that up. So on your desktop, iMovie Files, Assignment 1, and what you can do is you can just simply click the first one, then click Shift on your keyboard, then click the last, and that'll select all of them, and that way you can just drag them all right into the part where you're working on it. Okay, so once you have them all in there, that's great. Then you'll want to also add your audio. So to do that, also go to Find the window, find where your iMovie files are, music. So I'll just grab your file and pull it in. Okay, so from there, you should be able to preview it. Okay, so that's what I have so far. Now there's lots of other things that we can do. And let me just go back to look at the assignment details. So input all the photos. Now let's say we want to organize those photos a bit better. So let's say we don't want this one here. We want to move it over here. And we want to move this one to the we want to move this one back to the start. Next thing we want to do is we want to make sure they're cropped the right way. Okay, so if you see here, you can click right here, and you can go clip adjustments. Okay, so actually cropping ken burns and rotations. Right now this is all that we're showing. And I'm just going to press fit. Okay, because the ken burns is when you start way up here and it ends down here or something like that. So it moves, makes it look a little bit animated. Okay, so you can do that, or you can just press fit depending on what you want. I'm going to leave that one that way. But I'm gonna animate this one a little bit, just so it looks a bit cooler. So you can, okay, done on that one. And as you can see, as you move the placeholder over it, it actually animates it a bit for you. Okay. So you're gonna mess around with the cropping on each image. Get them in the right sequence. Make sure the pacing's appropriate. So how to do that is, for example, let's say you only want to show this image for a shorter period of time, so clip adjustment. Let's say you only want to show it for 2 seconds. Okay? And let's say you want to change it a little bit so it looks a bit different. We want to change it into, we want to flip the image. Okay? Just for that one. It actually flips it for you. Okay? We want to do that and add audio. So there's step 2, folks. Simple as that.